Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, November the 15th. The time is around 4:40 a.m. GMT. Let's take a look here. This is oil 60 minutes chart, and we can see currently oil is sort of in the sideways range, right? And we're looking for further upside as far as it stays above 55.78. But notice here that the arrow is black. That means, generally speaking, we do not really like we do not really favor either side. That's what it means, black, black stamp, because it is sideways after all. Okay, now I would like to show you the sort of the larger degree picture here, which is, I think, more useful than this 1 hour chart here, right? So again, the 1 hour chart basically is seeing that we can see for the upside. So I will be showing the 4 hour higher degree view, not a complete view, but it will help to make sense of the current move in oil. So this is a 4 hour chart, right? Again, it's not a complete labels. For further sort of for a more complete analysis, you can always go to our site, and we have 14 days free trial. You can check our service, and we also join the live session, live trading room as well. So here we can see this is the A and B, and the sort of the what looks like a sideways triangle here, right? The A and B. This is X, and X in black, W in black here. So if we can see right here, if we look at it from the perspective of the move higher from October the 3rd, okay, now we can see right here, what do we have? We have what looks to be an overlapping corrective rally so far, right? So far what we have is overlapping corrective rally. So that is telling us that the current rally in oil, the structure most likely is still corrective, right? So if it is corrective, then obviously it will be hard to suggest that we are going to suddenly rally a lot, all right, becoming an impulse, because the overall structure looks corrective so far. Okay, so what that means then is, if you take a look at it from the October 3rd point of view, you can see, you can count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swing, right? It's a 5 swing, but it is not a 5 waves. We are calling this as a 5 swing as part of a 7 swing double zigzag, right? So we have a ABC zigzag here, and we're looking for another ABC zigzag here with a B as a triangle. All right, so it's a double zigzag pattern here. So if that is going to really happen, right, that means we can see a little bit more upside to reach this area, in which you will reach the 100% extension of this, right? Now, what's interesting is not so much that, okay, well, is this really, I mean, another alternate at this point is that this is a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then we have a sideways consolidation here, so probably usually it's a continuation pattern, so most likely it's going to go higher. Okay, but yes, another alternate is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal, maybe ending A, and then we will get a bigger pullback in the B before higher again. And that's another possibility, but this looks to be a valid and more sort of possible count at this point, that this is actually doing a double zigzag. So if it is doing a double zigzag, then we expect oil to be able to extend higher one more time to reach this area. And then, since the entire rally is corrective, right, since the entire rally is corrective, this is not an impulse or any trending move on the upside in oil. That means this area should produce, sellers, right? Sellers should produce selling here. So sellers should appear from this box to drive oil down again. either going to new low, or at least it's going to give us a tourist pullback like this from this area. Okay, so that's the outlook for oil. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Otherwise I'll see you all again next week. Have a good weekend to everyone.